Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and today I am coming to you with a pattern review, which is McCall's 6044. This pattern right here that I have been talking about for the last 2 months, and I'll just kind of give you a little overview of the pattern and my experience with it. So I have a special guest here, if you haven't noticed already, my model, which is my husband, Mr. Ray. So he's gonna help with a little bit of commentary through this reviewing. So again, this is McCall's 6044, and the pattern description is men's shirts, and it ranges from size small to 3XL, and you are wearing a what?
3XL.
No.
A 2X.
Yes, 2X. So he has a little bit more room to grow before he's completely out of the pattern, but you know, that's not the goal. The goal is to get smaller, right?
I'm trying.
And so am I. So anyway, while looking at the pattern, one of the questions I ask myself when I am reviewing the patterns is, does this shirt or the garment look like the packaging, the model? And what do you think?
I have to see the packaging. So, does it feel good? Does it look good? Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I think I look better than that guy. Yeah, I do. Look at that guy. And look at me. Look at him. Look at me.
So yeah, they're different sizes, but for the size that he is and the size that this man is, yeah, I think it looks pretty similar.
No, it is. It looks the same.
And let's see.
I'm just rocking it with some soul. I'm letting my soul glow.
So the pattern instructions were very easy. I didn't look at a lot of the pattern instructions because I watched several tutorials prior to even making this. Gila from Saturday Night Stitch, and there was some other guy, if I can remember.
Healer? Like, I believe you're my healer?
Gila.
Oh.
And there was some other guy that did a long tutorial on it. He was actually pretty good and detailed. So I kind of saw the makings of this, and I just kind of went with it and only looked at it every now and then. So yes, from what I read, the pattern instructions were easy to follow. So what I liked about this pattern the most is that there wasn't a continuous lap. Not that I have an issue with it, but it's like a long process. But because there was no continuous lap, there's a seam in the sleeve. So there's a sleeve front and sleeve back. Now, I mean, it's nice for the top stitching, detail, whatever, but I don't really know if I like that, only because you have to make sure that this seam is in the same spot on both arms. And so I had to kind of pick through that just to make sure, because you do have to ease in the sleeve because the sleeve is a lot bigger than the armhole. So I had to make sure I put markings in the sleeve area just to make sure that those lined up in the same spot, if you get what I'm saying.
But I do have a lot of dress shirts with the seam going down the arm, so.
I did not know that.
It helps when I iron, so I just lay it flat and iron against the seam.
So the fabric I use is this Ankara wax fabric from House of Mami Wata.
Mami Wata. Okay, my bad.
But purchased 6 yards of that, so I made my 3-year-old's birthday shirt out of it, and that was the whole purpose of this shirt. This was his birthday shirt. His birthday was on April 11th, but
She forgot.
no, I did not forget. I didn't get it done in time because I was not feeling the best, and so it had to take a back seat. But you got it now, right?
Amen.
You got it now. Better late than never.
On spring, is it 20th, 21st? I don't know.
However, it's snowing.
It is snowing.
But he still got it. So did I make any pattern alterations to this? Yes. I added these little buttons right here to keep his collar down because he was crying about that, because his ready to wear shirts have buttons at the collar edge.
Not all, but I thought this one would look pretty nice.
Let me tell you, he went to the closet and came into the living room with 5 hangers and 5 different shirts showing me, look at that button, look at the button, look at that button.
Every shirt don't have to pop the collar. Some shirts you just want to put it and keep it there.
So yes, I added those little buttons, and guess what? They're faux because I didn't feel like putting the buttonholes in them, so I just stitched the button down.
So
to
I am collar topless.
I just stitched the button down to the shirt.
I gotta wear a different shirt if I want to turn up. This is turned down.
I'll fix it later, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Would I sew this again? Absolutely, if he wants it. Do you want this pattern again? Do you like this pattern?
Yes, it says sí, señorita.
Yeah, so the only thing though is that this pattern doesn't give you the option of the relax, the slim, or the moderate. It just is what it is. So if he wants it to be like custom to his fitting, then I would just have to adjust it however he wants me to adjust it. But he likes to fit the way that it is.
Yeah, it's kind of slim. So I got on some skinnier jeans today, which kind of makes me look top heavy. Like I got big boobs and little ankles, so I would actually wear this with some pants that fit looser, like dress legs, so to kind of give me a more of a natural look. That's where I am on this.
Okay, fair enough. But if he likes it, I love it. I mean that's I bought all those patterns during that 99-cent sale just in case he didn't like it, because what's 99-cent, right? I waste that at Starbucks.
She will not. 99 times 5.
Right. See? Even he thinks buying patterns is a better deal.
That's
right. Any excuse to get more patterns,
hilarious.
right? Matter of fact, when you're watching this, Simplicity and Quick Sew's on sale at Joann's for $1.99, but I don't need anything else.
Just send this cash at me, my little 99-cent.
Overall, what are your thoughts?
On you or this?
The shirt, how do you think it was made? Anything you would want done different?
So I like it. I really do. One of the biggest. I'm looking at the shirt. I'm describing this. I can't look at the camera. Look at the shirt. Look at the camera. So I'm gonna look at the shirt. Then look at the camera.
Y'all.
So looking at the shirt, one of the things that I like, that I really like, and you guys may not be able to see it well, is this blue stripe that's here.
Stand up.
I will not, because I got on my skinnier jeans.
They can't see the pants. Just stand up.
No, because it's going to show my little skinnier jeans. So this strip, it makes it look very, very luxurious, like it costs a lot of money. And I would take it in different colors. I could take the same print with just different colors.
So hold on. So the strip that he is talking about is the button placket.
That's what I said.
No, you said this strip.
Rewind it.
The button placket. He likes the contrasting parts of the button placket. So I did contrast his cuff. The cuff, the interior part of his collar stand, and I also contrasted his.
That you can't see because I can't pop my collar now.
Oh yeah.
Because she
I thought you was gonna keep this one undone and you could see it.
Oh, okay. She want me to just listen, y'all. She did it. Y'all saw her undress me.
So
I'm just saying, if we go in there on camera. Okay, so this.
So yes. So I contrasted the interior part of his collar stand, the cuff, and the button placket, and that's what he likes.
Yes. So she butt in on my video. Then the print is it. So even just a minute ago, I got a compliment on the print. When the 3-year-old had it on, I was like, hey, that's that. He a little bit more fitter, and so I like it. But other than that, yeah, no, it's really, really nice. It feels, the material is a thicker material, so it's a high quality. One of the things I like about that is that it doesn't seem to wrinkle as easy as my standard shirts. So I might need to get some more of these. Hey, this is one of them, like if I was going on a cruise, I would throw some white bottoms on this, and listen, I'd be stunting. I would be there. We'll go ahead. Oh, is that it? Am I done with my review? Was that a review? I like it. Listen, I like it. It's good. Well done.
All right. Well, I
Carry
don't think I have anything else to say. The pattern was pretty much straightforward. Like I said, I did watch some tutorials, but from what I did read, it was very simple, easy. I would do it again. I'm really getting the hang of this shirt making, and I enjoy it. I actually enjoy it. And yes, there's still about 3 yards of the, or maybe 2.5 yards of this fabric left. The baby boy is going to get a vest out of it, and then whatever's left, I am going to be making me something out of it. So you will see this again in July when the baby boy has a birthday, and then again in August when I have mine. But the other side of, I know you all are waiting on the father-son pictures in these shirts, but it is snowing here. It is like a blizzard outside.
It is snowing.
So I cannot get any outdoor pictures. I don't particularly care for indoor pictures.
We'll take them from Aruba. That's where we're going.
So when we get some good weather outside, we will go ahead and take those pictures, and then I will let everyone see how those turn out. But if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can see those pictures when those are posted on Instagram as well. But yeah, I think that's it. Is that all for you?
Nah, that's it for me.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you watching this, to me, comic type review. If you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and click the gray notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and I do upload every week. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.